For centuries, a silent terror stalked humanity. Smallpox, its name alone evoked fear, leaving behind a trail of disfigurement and death across continents. This relentless disease claimed millions, sparing no one, from the humblest peasant to the mightiest monarch. It was a plague without a cure, a force seemingly beyond human control. But amidst this despair, a beacon of hope emerged. In the late 18th century, one man dared to challenge this ancient foe, forever changing the course of medicine. This is the story of Edward Jenner, a country doctor whose keen observations and scientific rigor would lead to one of humanity's greatest triumphs. Born in 1749, Jenner grew up in Gloucestershire, a region deeply rooted in agricultural life. His early experiences shaped his understanding of nature and disease. As a young physician, Jenner noticed a curious phenomenon. Milkmaids, often exposed to cowpox, seemed immune to the deadly smallpox. This was a common folk belief, often dismissed by the scientific community. But Jenner, with his inquisitive mind, took it seriously. He spent years observing, documenting, and pondering this connection. Could a mild animal disease truly offer protection against a human scourge? His hypothesis began to form. If cowpox could protect, then perhaps intentionally introducing it could prevent smallpox. The year was 1796. Jenner was ready to test his theory. His first subject was Sarah Nelms, a local milkmaid. Sarah had contracted cowpox, a relatively harmless disease, from Ire cows. Jenner carefully collected material from one of her lesions. His next step was audacious. He sought a volunteer and found one in James Phipps, an 8-year-old boy, the son of his gardener. On May 14, 1796, Jenner inoculated James with the cowpox material. The boy developed a mild fever and a lesion, but quickly recovered. Weeks later, the true test came. Jenner inoculated James Phipps with smallpox material, a dangerous procedure at the time. The world held its breath. Would James succumb to the deadly disease, or would Jenner's hypothesis prove true? Days turned into weeks, and James Phipps showed no signs of smallpox. The cowpox had protected him. Jenner's experiment was a resounding success. He called his method vaccination, derived from vacca, the Latin word for cow. It was a revolutionary concept. Jenner documented his findings, eager to share his discovery with the world. But the path to acceptance was not smooth. The scientific community, steeped in traditional practices, initially met his claims with skepticism and ridicule. Public fear and misunderstanding fueled resistance. Caricatures depicted vaccinated individuals growing cow-like, features fanning the flames of doubt. Despite the initial backlash, the undeniable evidence of vaccination's effectiveness slowly began to win over hearts and minds. News of the breakthrough spread. Vaccination centers began to appear across Europe, offering protection against the dreaded smallpox. Monarchs and leaders, recognizing its potential, championed the cause. Vaccination became a global movement, saving countless lives. Over the next 2 centuries, vaccination efforts intensified. The world witnessed a dramatic decline in smallpox cases and deaths. Global health initiatives, building on Jenner's legacy, pushed for worldwide eradication. It was an unprecedented public health campaign. Finally, in 1980, the World Health Organization declared smallpox eradicated. It remains the only human disease to be completely wiped out. Edward Jenner's courage, scientific rigor, and unwavering belief in his observations gifted humanity a powerful weapon against disease. His work laid the foundation for modern immunology and preventative medicine, saving billions of lives and shaping the world we know today. The triumph over smallpox stands as a testament to the power of science and the enduring impact of one man's vision, a legacy that continues to inspire.